number. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to create outro. It's basically same thing as intro, but just more changes have to be done. Okay, so I'm going to come here and type Panzoid. Okay, and I'm going to click the first one, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm not going to go through what's happening because it's there in the last video, and if you have seen it, the link will be in the description below and on the end page. Okay, so I'll come here and type outro, and I'm gonna pick a random one, so I'm gonna pick this one. We'll open in Clipmaker, and I'm gonna show how to see this thing. Okay, I'm gonna keep it like that so you can see if I make the change, what's happen. So this will stay the same. This you want to change it to the most best one. So you can change it to 1080p. This is the best of 4K. So I'm gonna keep it like this. And you want to change the frame rate to 60. Come here. I'll scroll down and change this text to tag dude. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, tag dude. Press enter and there it is. I'm gonna put here also tag dude. Okay, so if you want, you can just keep it for the one on the top. Wait, I'm gonna keep a space here. Okay, keep it like that, and I don't think so there's much to do though. That's all you do, and if you want, you can change this. Okay, so I can change it to the most viewed. Sorry about that. Right, I'm gonna type most viewed. Or if you want, just keep it like that. So I'll just keep it how it was. So previous, I'm happy with that. You can actually change it so to what type of video you put in the end. So it's like that, and there it is. I'm gonna download it also. You can change the music also, but I'm gonna start video render. I'm gonna show you also the how to convert it to MP4K. So I'm gonna start video render. Okay, so the download is done, and I'm gonna press download video now. Okay, so it'll come like this. So now I'm gonna show you a good one. So I'm gonna now show you a cloud converter. I think that's a good one for converting. So I'm gonna type cloud. See, okay, so it's actually already there. I'm gonna press this and type MKV. So it's already there. And I'm going to convert it to MP4. So I'm going to select my file. I'm going to select a file. Press video.mkv. And then you press convert. Okay, so it will be processing, so you can wait. Okay, so it's download. I'm gonna press download now, and there you have video.mp4. Okay, so I'm gonna press it now, and here's the video. Okay, so that's the video, and see you next video. And okay, so bye guys.